Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to a new video, and today we're going to be talking about how I do my vocals. So the preset that I use that I made is called Juice WRLD Vocals, but you know, it's not really Juice WRLD Vocals, it's more like just vocals that I like to use. So let's listen to the little audio clip.
You know your love threw me away. I can't do anymore, I can't relate. Don't call me up on the phone today. Don't call me up on the phone today.
So that's the little audio clip, so let's listen to it without any effects.
You know your love threw me away. I can't do anymore, I can't relate. Don't call me up on the phone today. Don't call me up on the phone today.
Of course I have auto-tune on that, but like, you don't have to use it, I'm only using it for the stylistic effect. And first, we add a compressor.
You know your love threw me away. I can't do anymore, I can't relate.
So I'm not going to play it fully each time, but yeah. Then we add a channel EQ, and here's the settings for that. Okay, if you can pause the video and see that. Also, here's the settings for the channel EQ. Pause the video and see that. Okay, now we're going to use a de-esser. And wait, let's listen to it with the channel EQ.
You know your love threw me away.
So that sounds good. Now we're going to add a de-esser, and let's listen to that. Here's the settings for the de-esser.
You know your love threw me away.
It adds a little bit. Now we add a space designer. And here's the settings for that. Pause the video, and this is what it makes it sound like.
You know your love threw me away. I can't do anymore, I can't relate.
That's what that sounds like, and then an echo.
You know your love threw me away.
And then after that we add a, here's the settings for the echo by the way, but then after that we add, let me show it on screen longer. Here's the settings, you can copy that, pause the video, and then we add a pedal board, and the effect we add from that is the heavenly chorus, and it adds a nice sound to it.
You know your love threw me away.
And it adds a lot actually, so let's turn that off.
You know your love threw me away.
I really like what it adds. It adds some brightness. It's really nice. And then gain.
Can't do anymore.
And then you don't have to add that, but like, that's just so that it mixes in the song. So then let's listen to the thing with the song and all. This is unreleased by the way.
You know your love threw me away. I can't do anymore, I can't relate.
That's all you get. That's all you get. Haha. So, anyway, yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Now you know how I do my vocals on my songs. And, yeah. I'll do some more vocal videos. Like this video if you want a video on how I made this instrumental. And I might also do a video on how I made my producer tag, which is this.
Dylan Paterson.
So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, leave a comment, subscribe. Yeah, okay. Goodbye.